How to enforce a court order when the other party refuses to follow it in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Is your ex refusing to follow a court order? Are they refusing to provide you with court ordered child support or alimony? Are they refusing to hand over property that you are entitled to under your marital settlement agreement? Or in any other way, they're refusing to follow a court order? If so, you can file a motion to enforce. And a motion to enforce puts the court on notice of the court order and how your ex is brazenly refusing to follow that court order. Now, when the issue goes before the court can enforce the order. They can reprimand your ex. They can chastise them a bit, potentially entering an award for attorney fees. And they can enforce the order and force your ex to follow the clear and enforceable court order. Now, if you want your motion to enforce to have a little bit more bang, then you can file a motion for order to show cause. A motion for order to show cause asks the court to require the other party to show cause to explain themselves why they are refusing to follow the court's clear and enforceable court order. Now, with a motion for order to show cause, when it's properly filed and properly served, the court can hold your ex in contempt of court, which can include all the way up to potentially incarcerating your ex. Now, don't get out of hand here. The court usually is not in the business of incarcerating people for not following court orders in family court, but the threat is still there, and your ex is going to have a little bit of a flame under them to follow a court order if they have even a low threat of being incarcerated hanging over their head. So if your ex is refusing to follow a court order, your ex is refusing to play ball, you can file a motion to enforce, or alternatively, a motion for order to show cause in Albuquerque, New Mexico.